Does cracking your knuckles cause arthritis? No, and here's why. When you pull or bend a joint, the pressure in the joint drops. That low pressure makes gases in the fluid form a bubble, then pop. That pop is the sound you hear, not bone grinding, but people thought the sound meant joint damage. Except studies show the cartilage stays perfectly healthy, and habitual crackers don't have more arthritis than others. In fact, the only real effect is maybe a bit of swelling, until that gas dissolves again, about 20 minutes. So, cracking your knuckles isn't breaking anything, just breaking bubbles.